Children, see. Here we are given intervals 65 to 68, 68, 71 and so on. What is the class width here? What is the class size?
3.
3. 68 minus 65 is 3. I'll give you an easy way out to find the class mark. This is applicable for all the intervals. See, class size is 3. 68 minus 65 is 3. Class size is 3. What is a half of 3?
1.5.
1.5.
So just add 1.5 to the lower limit. We'll get the class mark. Because it's easy to find class mark for 0 to 10, 10 to 20, to 30. Children, please mute yourself. 65 and 68. Class size is 3. It is 1.5. You can just have a check here. Next, 68 to 71. 78 minus 68, 3. Half of 3 is 1.5. So add 1.5. So the next will be 69.5. Clear? And beta, if you just notice, all these are continuous intervals. These are continuous intervals with the constant width, 3. Width could be different also in the questions. But in this question, all the intervals are having class width 3. So here the exercise will be differ by 3. They will differ by 3. So 69 plus 3, 72.5. Next would be, can you please tell me?
75.5.
Very good. Next,
78.5.
78.5. Next,
81.5. 81.
also 80 से ज़्यादा होगा 81.5 and then
84.5.
Now suppose the question is find me. You are not asked whether to do it by direct or assume. Let's see which method will be better. Now if I just directly multiply fi xi, what will happen? I will have to multiply by such big numbers. Multiplying by big numbers, that too in decimal, can create some problem, can create some confusion. So let us try this with assumed mean method. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So middlemost is always mention in a box that what is your assumed mean. Always do mention this, that what your assumed mean is. So we have taken 75.5 as our assumed mean. Now the next column would be DIs, deviation, which is xi minus a. Children, you can do it orally. Need not show always 66.5. This zarurat nahi hai. Now I am telling you one more better example. Ayush, please focus on the board. I am giving you one more better way to avoid confusion. You may start with here. 75.5 minus 70.5 will always give you 0. You know below it are all greater values. That is, the child has performed more than the average marks. So it is above average. Above average means positive. So 78.5 minus 75.5. What is the difference?
3.
3. 81 and 75. 6. As I told you that the class size is 3. So these value will always differ by 3.
9.
In the table of 3. Right? Now you can move up. 75 and 72. The difference is 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3.
Minus 3. The child has performed down than the average, less than the average. So minus. Minus 6.
Minus 6.
Minus 9.
Minus 9.
Yes. Now tell me, what is more convenient? Multiplying fi xi or multiplying fi di?
FIDI.
FIDI.
So this can be removed mentally. Suppose ये है ही नहीं हमारे पास. This is not there with us. So now let us multiply fi and di. So when you multiply fi's and di's, let us see what we get. Multiplying fi and di. 2 into minus 9.
Minus 18.
Minus 18. 4 into minus 6.
Minus 24.
3 into minus 3.
Minus 9.
This will be 0.
0.
7 into 3.
21.
21. 4 into
24.
6. 4.
21.
2 into
18.
9.
24.
Now children, see the best
18.
part here. Plus 24, 18 minus 24, 18. This will cancel as it is. Hello? So what is our summation FIDI? What is summation FIDI here? Minus
12.
9 plus 21.
12.
And what is summation FI? Please tell me summation FI. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 17
17.
plus 7, 24, 30.
30.
Now, FIDI positive. Does it mean that the average is more than this or less than this? If P is greater than this, ज़्यादा आ रहा है, so that means the average will be more than this. Let us
Yes,
go.
ma'am.
Now, D bar, which is equal to summation FIDI divided by summation FI is equal to 12 upon 30. In the table of 3, 4 upon 10, which is 0.4.
0.4.
Which is 0.4. So
4.
thus, mean, which is X bar, is A plus D bar. Your A is 75.5 plus 0.5. That makes it 75.9. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.